What is a HEPA air filter? Introduction. If you suffer from allergies, asthma, dust problems, or poor indoor air quality, then you may have heard about HEPA air filters. These filters are very popular in homes, hospitals, offices, and HVAC systems because they help clean the air and remove harmful particles. In this video, you will learn what a HEPA filter is, how it works, and why it is important for cleaner and healthier indoor air. What is a HEPA air filter? HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air Filter. A true HEPA filter is specially designed to remove very tiny particles from the air. It can capture up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. These particles are extremely tiny and cannot normally be seen with human eyes. HEPA filters are commonly used in air purifiers, HVAC systems, hospitals, laboratories, clean rooms, modern homes. What kind of particles can HEPA filters remove? HEPA filters can remove many harmful particles from indoor air, including dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, smoke particles, bacteria, some viruses, allergens. This helps improve indoor air quality and creates a cleaner breathing environment. How does a HEPA filter work? A HEPA filter works by trapping particles inside a very fine fiber material. When air passes through the filter, large particles get blocked immediately. Small particles become trapped inside the fibers. Tiny particles collide with fibers and stay inside the filter. This process helps clean the air before it circulates back into the room. Why are HEPA filters important? 1. Better air quality. HEPA filters remove harmful particles from the air, making indoor environments cleaner and fresher. 2. Helps allergy and asthma patients. People with allergies or asthma often feel better when using HEPA filtration because it reduces dust, pollen, and other allergens. 3. Cleaner home environment. HEPA filters help reduce airborne dust, keeping rooms cleaner and healthier. HEPA filter versus normal air filter. Normal fiberglass filters mainly protect the HVAC system from large dust particles. But HEPA filters are much more powerful because they can trap microscopic particles that normal filters miss. That is why HEPA filters are considered high-performance air filters. Important thing to know, not all filters labeled HEPA style or HEPA type are true HEPA filters. A true HEPA filter must meet strict filtration standards, so always check product specifications before buying. HEPA and MERV ratings. True HEPA filters usually fall in the MERV 17 to MERV 19 range. Higher MERV ratings mean better filtration performance. However, very high-efficiency filters may require stronger HVAC airflow systems. Conclusion: a HEPA air filter is one of the best solutions for improving indoor air quality. It helps remove dust, allergens, smoke, bacteria, and other tiny airborne particles from the air. If you want cleaner air, better comfort, and a healthier home environment, a HEPA filter can be an excellent choice for your HVAC or air purification system. Especially for people with allergies or asthma, HEPA filtration can make a big difference in everyday life. Thank you for watching HVAC Official Channel.